Hello everyone, this printer is Canon PIXMA MG3650. I want to show you how to connect this printer with your mobile phone via a wireless network. What you need to do is you need to go to Play Store, install Canon Print app. Canon Print app. Install it on your mobile phone, then open the app. This is Canon Print app. Put this aside. The next thing to do is go to the control panel, select stop button once, then select Wi-Fi button, press and hold it for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. The power light will highlight. Release the button, press the copy color once, then press the Wi-Fi button again, then release the button and wait. The Wi-Fi light will be highlighting intermittently. What that means is the printer is in a wireless mode. So the next thing to do is we're going to look for this printer on the app. Go to the phone settings, select connections, then select Wi-Fi. It will show you Canon PIXMA MG3600 Series. Select on it once, then you go back, Canon Print app, select on Canon Print app. Tell you please wait. So it's searching for the printer. And they found the network. The following network information is saved. Do you want to use it? Select yes. Communicating with the printer. Then wait for printer name to appear. Then select your printer. So the printer is found, MG3600 Series. Select on it. Acquiring printer information. These are optionals. Then select OK. This is the printer. Printer is connected to a wireless network. If you look on the Wi-Fi, the light is steady and you can print documents. Select document print. Then you select documents. Then scroll down and select specific document you want to print out. Select on the document. It's processing. This is 2-page document. Then you select next. Select OK. Then go to the settings. Select the size. The paper size as A4, media type, plain paper, same as original, and also 2-sided printing, long edge. Then go back. Then select print. This is the document we printed out 2-sided. So it will show you printing is completed. Then you select OK. So after you connected this printer to a wireless network from mobile phone, if you want to add it to your computer to be able to print from laptop, what you need to do is you need to go to Laptop Start, go to the settings, select the settings, Select printers and scanners. Then add a device. So it's going to search for available printer. Canon MG3600 Series is available. Multi-function printer, inkjet printer, scanner. Select add. So it will show you connecting. It's showing us installing. You need to wait. It show you ready. Installing. So the printer is ready. Showing us ready. Select on it. It will show you that the printer is idle. Select print test page. Windows printer test page. You have correctly installed your Canon MG3600 series on laptop, Windows x64. If you want to scan document, select scanner settings, open scanner properties. So the printer is available. If it's not available, then you need to refresh it. So I'm going to close this. Select open scanner. Scanner Canon MG3600 series is picked up. To scan documents, put the document you want to scan on the glass scanner face down. Make sure the document starts from the top left side. You will see arrow on the left side of the printer. Close the cover. Select the source. You can leave it as auto-configured or scroll and select flatbed. File type, scroll down to select PDF. Show more. Resolution, maximum is 600, 300 dpi are selected. We want to save the file in documents. So select the file, then select documents, select folder, then select scan. Then select view to view the document. This is the document we scanned. To print it out, select Ctrl P. Then scroll and select correct printer. Select more. Then look for Canon MG3600 series on the list. Select on it. Then you select number of copies, all. Then you select color, more setting. Select the size of the paper, 1 page per sheet, fit to printable area. Then you select print. This is the document we scanned and printed it out.